We all are very interested in learning new analysis, and many people request us to share new analysis by commenting. So to keep their request, we are constantly coming up with different analysis, and in that continuation today, we are going to share another new analysis. But before sharing this analysis, I request you to watch today's video with patience, because today's analysis is a bit critical. This analysis may be a bit difficult for many, so I request you to watch the video with a little attention and patience, and if there is any noise on the side, turn it off and pay attention. One thing I can tell you is that your time will not be wasted through today's video. You will definitely know many important things. Anyway, today we will share how to do analysis, how to take an entry, and what indicator to use. So hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. Let's take a look at how to set up the indicators and what indicators to set up. You will set up two indicators. One is NWE Watson envelope and the other is higher high lower low strategy. We will set up these two indicators and will analyze the market with the help of these two indicators. So first you have to go to the indicator option and search by writing the name of the indicator. You must know how to set them. First, I will set up the NWE indicator, and if I search by typing its name, it will come forward, and if I click on it once, it will be set up. After that I will search by typing higher high lower low strategy in the same way, and after clicking once it will be set up. Now we have to do some setting. We will set higher high lower low indicator. So we come to the setting option of this indicator, and from the style option remove the tick marks that you see. Remove the tick mark from all the options except the higher high and lower low option. We have removed. Now the work of setting is done. We've removed ticks and we're done with our setup. Now we need to analyze, but first let's discuss these indicators a bit. Here you can see a lot of colored areas on the indicator. These are the boundaries, but the single line we see in the middle of the indicator is the baseline. We will do analysis with the help of this. We will show these things. Stay with us. So how to do the analysis? You must pay attention to the analysis part because it may seem a bit difficult for a while. So watch the video with patience to understand quickly. Here we can follow these indicators to take buy and sell entries. Today we will start by showing you how to take a buy entry. There are some criteria to take a buy entry. A few things you have to follow. Like firstly, the line you see in the middle of the NWE indicator must be green. I repeat, the line in the middle of this indicator must be green to take a buy entry. Then the second criteria is that the market will stay above this green line and later the market will come up to this green line. Then our third criteria is that when the market comes up to this green line, the candle should not be closed below this line. I say again, the market will come up to this green line, but the candle, which will touch this line, will close above this green line. If the closing is below the line, then it will not be suitable for entry. After that, the next criteria is that the market will go back up and the market will go to the red cloud. Then the last criteria is that the market has to break the recent higher high. That is, we have set up an indicator called higher high lower low. The indicator indicates higher high level and lower low level. Then our last criteria is the market will cross recent higher high level. If you see such a position, then definitely you can take an entry. It may seem difficult, but if we show you from the market, it will be much easier, as here we can see that the color of the line in the middle of the envelope indicator is green. So here we have our first criteria has been matched. Next, the market was above the green line, then the market came to the green line, so here is our second criteria has been matched. Then according to our third criteria, the candle has to close above this green line. We can see the market comes down to this green line, but although its shadow has crossed the green line, but the closing of the candle is above the green line. So here our criteria is correct. Then our next rule is the market will go up to the red cloud, and here we can see the market is now at the red cloud, and the last rule was the market will break the recent higher high level. So here we can see the market break its recent higher high level. So the higher high level has been broken above, so here we have all the criteria match, and if we look at the next movement of the market, then we can see that the market has gone upward. So an entry can be taken from such a position, and you can take an entry, and it will give very good feedback. I hope you have understood today's video. It may seem a bit difficult, so to get the sell entry, we will follow in reverse. That means we will follow the opposite way as we followed before. So the first criteria is that the middle line should be red. As we can see in this place, the color of the middle line of this indicator is red. According to the next rules, the market rises from the bottom to this line, but the closing of the candle has to be below this line. So here our second criterion is matched. Remember that the closing of the candle must be below the red line. If the closing is above the line, it will not be a perfect placement. Then according to the third criteria, the market will pull back down and come down to the green cloud, and the last rule is when the market enters the green cloud, the market will break the recent lower low level. So, here we can see the market pull back down to the green cloud, and the market has crossed the recent lower low level. Then all our criteria are matched here, so feel free to take entry from here. If we look at the next movement of the market, then we can see that the market has gone into a downtrend, and the market has made this movement very strongly. So by analyzing in this way, you can take an entry. This was today's video. Hope you can follow this video. Please watch the video carefully and then apply. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pip spread. So be sure to account under the link given below, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.